Hello, and thanks for joining me. What I have here is a chamber stove that was in the process of being restored and put back together. I got it at this stage, got the pieces and the parts. Now I'm going to put it back together and I'm going to make some videos along the way. Hey, if you would hit subscribe, like, that'll help keep me going. Appreciate it. Thank you. So starting at the front of this stove, this is the frame, powder coated. It's been totally powder coated, very nice. Oven door, rechromed, and then inside you have a rack that's been rechromed. And down at the bottom of the floor, done in stainless. And there's some other pieces down there done in stainless, rechromed. The inner part of the oven, reporcelain, and it's speckle. Then over here is where your valves are, thermostat. So let me turn it around, you can see the back. So this is the top of the oven, the back of the oven. The top's been done in stainless, so that's a bonus. Here's your vent flap. That's been redone, stainless. Lets the gases out, the heat out. Then over here you have your manifold. That's been reporcelained. You got your burners. Those have been all burner valves. Those have all been redone. Your thermostat. That's been rebuilt. So that's what that looks like. And so probably the next step is going to be put some tubing on the back here. There's a safety system that goes down at the bottom. I'll put that in. And then the next step, after I do that, we'll probably put the top on. Here's the top. Top's been reporcelain. 4 burners, griddle broiler. Now, typically, this is a deep well burner, but this one is going to have a temperature-controlled thermostat burner. And then here's the front. That's the front of it. And now it looks like a chambers. Now it looks more like a chambers. You can get the idea. Oh, okay, there it is. So that's the stage amount. And so I'll go on to the next video